I will live in a country what kind of crime and quadafia me to baby my cattle some munja trotro. Mama say we are bloggers no munja videos ne na say munja ya there. Nan kwadan keten me say galamsey no. The fight against galamsey beka ho radio stations, media houses across the country. Man media man ba ko no say ono de unsupported. Yenyina ne yadim. Say ye make sure say galamsey no to betwa. Say na grobi ne yedi na nkrofo de pesika egu won bottom. Wo kan ebinom ntiase na sankante sa anka ba ne say na excavator 500 etibi so na powder na yira. Say nye sika ena nkrofo de kopegu won bottom. Kaya de na na say excavator na yira. Ba yen fa no ntonchen ma men kan letter bi ma wo. Krataway was written on the 4th of June 2019 and up to today baby amibodi galamsey no ekoso ho. Up to today. Where aye top remain citizens in the diaspora. Top remain me da say. And where he's in region one. Top remain he's in region. I'm so top re. Wamu kunranim ewa toprema ho sesi ya me no ka se wo tu galamsey ko hawa ni so ade. Meanwhile somebody sit somewhere and say that galamsey no ejai mami kan sam cho sa wo ba yen asante ho a fa manso kwanta manso adubia ene ne banso kwanta ho yina wo mo de tu galamsey wana ka to say ejai. Who told you that lie? Me yamadia I am a tomboase na ma pen hwehwem na mawo etu wo de be wa na wo be bumu why na ka kire wo galamsey ejai. Go to Western region, check it. Papa me be phone line ntum say ya na nanoma himfo atiem esu. Meanwhile you say you are spending close to over 50 million Ghana cedis. What became of that money? Ya wasted ska. Say ya di galamsey anokwan. Na de na nya ya asha hwan na no dim no ya che no openu asafuma for say ya ni China for won kuta hodie bi e na bra de sokromo dum na de sokromo twe de tuntum bra de tuntum kro enti ya jado no ko. No bi so. Yey. Na excavator na nyira. Adane te self powder akwa. Tie top remain citizens na womo abroche womo kromfo truck rata command the Minister of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. Or say dear sir, notification of unauthorized environmental activity at top remain. We are writing on behalf of top remain citizens in the diaspora to address concerns about an authorized environmental activity popularly referred to as galamsey by small-scale miners at Topreman in the Denchambua district of the Eastern region. We believe and assert that the small-scale miners are guilty of the environmental ban on galamsey by the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. This activity is causing severe environmental pollution, especially as our only stream has been badly affected and become non-usable. Moreover, severe damage to the environment has resulted in gully erosion as the topsoil is entirely washed away, leaving ditches in its trail. Topreman is a farming community, and these mining activities have caused the destruction of cocoa farms and other crops. These miners claim they have the authority or backing of Great Consolidated Diamond Limited. Attached are photos of some of their activities. On behalf of our community, we strongly request your office to consider our complaint and to find time to examine and inspect the operations of a said business as soon as possible. Additionally, the community wants your office to immediately halt activities of the miners on our land. If ever you will be needing our help or assistance, do not hesitate to contact us through these numbers. Telephone numbers, no waseho. We are just concerned about our environment, especially when it affects the quality of air and water. Thank you. Yours faithfully, for and on behalf of Top Reman citizens in the diaspora, Godfred Asari, Chairman. Kratawe was on the 4th of June. Besin ne galamse de kwaso. Mesi. Mesra Professor Frimpong Boati on a dasa committee nano chairman. Say ayeye biano. Wawa anti galamse sukwado. Say you from say Operation Vanguard for no. Bisom say you mukwa Ashanti region. Hey, Minister, Operation Vanguard for no. Ya mukwa Ashanti region. Mansun hong potem hono ya wanum kwa ho. Adentine yesi yenja galamse. Ni ya ma binim kwan ye. That's my worry. Say yesi ye place ban on galamse dia. As I say ban na ye adwuma. Na ban say e na asua ya ma musika boom. Say mo fan ye say adwuma we na besin ne. Besin ne sesi ameno ka say ade na hwebo ada. For Kochabi Mpatamo, Kochabi, Chabi Hayam Patamo, Nanado, Nukrom Home Patamo, Nanado, Nanado, the president Namuno Maba, Nanai, Kokrom Kochabi in Patam, Kwasagalam Senajaya, Wow Krom Nanado. What kind of credit could have Fiabi to baby? I come to one compared to under Ghana, number church on some phone. Bra Western region, bra Western region, hey bra. But say what? Sagalam say nejaya. Na ya say sika kwa. Na Ghana water timi asanya kukudura be truck rat abrayen. Akata na Ghana water tro ne kire say. Minister no down no wa fairly. So bi antimi nya kukuduro nka kire da me meka tro plane say bra wa fairly. Because we saw what Peter Mewu did. Yehu de na Peter Mewu yo. Yetikro mi yehu what Peter Mewu was doing. I interviewed Peter Mewu tamani ye pene kuno. I was the first. Beside questions I never papa person suwe fidyesu. Ask Peter Mewu. He did a fantastic job. Edu babia video bia mahwe say yampa. Me I don't believe in that video. Say yampa. Say kwa we see by office was say mumfa galamse ni generate sika ma aban no na party ni sika for the way if it is true. The video is circulating. Say kwa we see ebisa minister no say yampa. Say minister anya bia anya wona aka say party ni sikanti yam galamse the excavators no yam fanya adwuma na yam fan pesika ba party no say yes. Minister anya wana aka say mente committee oba branch ba ko bia kura so din wo bidwa fidin no say anya wana say yente committee ya umbehwe say adwuma no so no wa pesika ma party no na yam fa branch ending ka ho. Minister say yes. Sa video na mu say yampa. Question back who say enya wana wutu ka free ya kwa takwa ne important ekwa hebe bia galam say ni ade wo ne ko ya be fa so betimi de excavators na pesika ma part no or say yes. Na minister say oh David say we take committee no ma me kan chem say what here we kura master t ye adwuma wo boy ye. If it is true wo boy ye. Eti MPP party nisika say yampa MPP party nisika aje ya de galam say sika da be MPP. What are you telling me? Look, we got to be serious, oh. As people, we got to be serious. Because I yell. So what your mom not China to be the 3 days as the hospital ever for the past 710. Near to Chrome Honey Hospital, I said 10 years. Near year. Na excavator Makumako 500 comfort powder. Na ira. Bamenko amana na menene nana ya abuadu A very fine young man. Say on the leader of the Special Monitoring Evaluation and Investigation of operations of the Operation Vanguard and the Gallup Stop. Nana, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Senior net to say. Good. That so utinkwa ukota ma hoson watimi hunu excavators ni bi diaba. Yeda ase. Then ekoso excavators no ewo hin.
Captain, that's the match here is why Adom excavators no ewo ho.
Pacho ewo hin.
Said the cano. Said the Dwaso Nsem and yes, I here. Sisi amino kasa is oba aviation. Ya bua bibria no ewo ho. Na the tiene say excavators na wo all the yards ne bi wo boase e bi wo takwa na ne bi wo yarefa abelempe industrial area na tema. So at a point in time, Tama now yes it's story to say machines na era it be so machines. Na minister here and say yamwa machines ni na no one central point. Sebeya obia ba obeka yebehunu say hana all cro because it happens obeko oyarefa akohwe ni ho but obeko industrial area na ewo ho. If you have industrial area ni ho obeko abelempe na ewo ho. So for us not to go through all these ways in MI and say young boy excavators ni na no ewo one central point into bar now the document ba wakwa akohwese ewo ho anase ni ho. Me no kase yetimia boa dodo na no 138 ano I war industrial a war aviation to see me no kase I gusua the war industrial area na kano the best 38 32 and also yeah they call the award was the Yabaka of Fadia, but the Otaqua Yabaka of Fadia. And you know, said the public no cast excavators 500 2 irano, Captain and yes,
now, sir, what kind minister no crat or Chokoma? Ghana Police Service. What kind of sacrata be? No minister ne person say. Saira na saying right.
The vice say.
No minister ne crata and say. So what kind they are?
Minister no cast no the man police nature excavators ne be ho no ma yemu.
Na omu.
Yes, admit the fact that excavators ne be ho no ma yemu. Per the record they kuta yen no yehwehwe mu no Vanguard watch say no. But to the best of my knowledge no. We see and his team no asanya Daniama a big minus neho and it means to conquer for any excavators in your modia.
A Honda Seminole Wono excavators ya Operation Vanguard for Mochichi and Sawu Beda knowing. Would I and Yemen be who me percent Abusafo and you're known as share Jumanase. Tanaya Bodu a fay no abijinum. Tiana me mpesa me de ehun tansa ne bebre be chekere wo kon ansa na wo be ba no na me tese wo busa say yemma a comprehensive data on all the confiscated your friend saying excavators no pacho wunyaye
a comprehensive one no me because they try think call at the mayen but one ya mayen
adentra wo busa ne de ntia.
Yeah, try our making it available to us.
Okay.
And you know, Minister Emma to me say young inventory, no, which we did.
And as I see, I want to make us say so. Oma Matias, yes, excavators, nibi wa. One moon. A be also according for excavators in your Dwaso Nsem, yes, sir. Okay. My main Kankata Minister Troy, Ghana Police Service, the Director General CID Headquarters Accra, on 3rd of February 2020. I say request for investigation. Mr. Ekoewusi was contracted to cut excavators and other vehicles and pieces of equipment seized by Operation Vanguard to designated areas for safekeeping. We have received information that he has sent an unknown number of equipment to unauthorized locations, including one in Tema. This was confirmed by the caretaker of the depot in Tema. Information reaching me indicates that he has sold an unknown number of pieces of the equipment including excavators. I wish to appeal to the police authorities to investigate the matter. But you are saying, if you hire Tompa.
Me pacha na kwa if you hire ton.
Na ye hwan dia na yaton.
Ebinomo Adom documents aba. So Banya share the list of excavators I take over from obi ho no ma be banana de no obi onso de abana eni ho. Obi so ho no ma ye wo list bia in fact say machines ni bia kodi minus ne ho no mo no nti ye was list nti ubani ehwem na say ye list ni mo a then we will take your chassis number and it say when you go for operation you go hunu sa machine and then we seize it and bring it back to Accra.
Menim se bia wodim number ya ton a.
For now number ya ton de afena ye gu hwehwemu na se na run so many are considered the not necessary documentation is in our headquarters. Mensuma bua me di nyina no a mensume nam kwan so a me de ko. Enti no se moma yen break kakra me gidi se hwehwemu na ekoso no. E benya the total number no. In fact say ye hu no. Na e be just a few so ama etiefo nyina so momo aye. Na ye hu no. Obi a ne machine bia ni ho no mo and after the machine bi omo eche ye na onhu no obetimi a oni app na nko no so the necessary documentations na brain and ke etimi dia follow up
Pacho we emunye yadodo say aban his excellency at in a position as the president of the republic at the to line so say must topic galam say na nyesa emfie beye num dudu num a wo ye de me Ghana anhwa ye be kransuo ti se me lusu election kra da me te sa asem ne fi na na do no me ye mo hye me se me lusu election kra me lusu election no na mo me dia save se de ba ya nchirima benya nsu anom enti ye njai galam say Peter me wo hye adwuma ya se adwuma na ekoyie ye hu de ye na ekọ ebedu ba bia excavator yede ye galam say ya president mu ye otu oman na no ahye na obi aton bra emunya wiram dodo
emu ye rem enu nti na ma minister at the start team way by and because earlier on no na onim all these things he entrusted the secretary and the team and later no who say no. The report coming to him was different from what he is hearing. This team, you say, no, somewhere, or my somewhere, you know, but officially, no, or my year, money in our man, no, now, I know, officially, no, or my letter to that effect in October. Meno, because I first arrest in you. Yeah, this kind of chair, we've seen some people. I don't know, be a show me investigation, I say. Ani gusua ya kosi se nanu ye team no start na se dwen ho ya san kwachi e ko receive
but you san crofo na ye se ba ko bi kan ho ye adwuma radio station bi da na
me pa ane
okay to asoma me
enti no minister de babo ne ho modern no so the next form say na na do dan kwa kufu ado his excellency die so ne bebem but unfortunately those that he entrusted to and are disappointed in
but you understand journalists no way
on a
number saying and I mean to no
or report to BNI he is still under investigation but the investigation so I asked that then definitely he will be called to answer some questions.
Okay, me ni bibia wom ba me mbisa question we me te se na bia na ifo ne kase mra om kwache no o ye na dwen bia ni ka boot se no yi sika ma won na om refuse ye me nim me bisa se bia watia
me pa che no de mente
eno de wonte ye me da se sa excavators na apart from the yaton no wo se ebinum so akodi ebinum a enye won dia one no why then when ya because when him say excavator no ye chia because me kind rules ni ye pa to me boss kan ye say ye chia na ya taking the chassis numbers ye hu say ye hu ye ya the manufacturer ye na ye hu ne current condition ni ne bibia na mo wo pool a mo de safwa ne kogum ye den na safwa no otumi nante ye yira ye
captain
ye
no kwasem e wo say machines no mo ye no I can tell with authority say 90% na safwa ni. Now, what happened? Say, you cry share operation as you know. Your master keys for all the excavators. And this year, corner say, over cost site and don't know illegal mine and over corner journey. Either so be to control board, and also be to monitor, and also be to machine who be no jam machine number. So we try use the master key near the tracking machine about near the low bed at the upper.
Tisamo corner a beer ye tutu sa parts na mo tobi share.
That is what we do. And in the acquire all the excavators, control board, all the infants they were standing.
Hey,
Lengon and those Negu Kabia 1 into your corner control Lengon near Tune control border near the end aboso. Yes, Timmy track here, the ability crown. Here the bar, I was seeing two at the toka. What happened is how did we do center honor? What did we do aviation? Near say, yes, near the 2 year car for another operation.
And Timamentia say you way me lawyer and Obia no bet me a pass judgment, but we a to say cartel. Sametewasia Moba Corona Nipan were 2 excavator no part bia wo kodru a wontimi ntum famfiri ho nko ba bia anyesa.
That is it.
Na momwatimi the master key na sie ne yatimi ahwehwe hu part kuna watu no na ye de aban sika to part na de ahye na yatimi atu de afinrom ho de aba anyesa.
Exactly.
And na modi bedru ho na mo asan yi part na motoye na firim se de ba ye obi kura ba na obefa wontimi mfa nko sesa na te.
That part na yen try a 21 pe. Yen tone dodo. And one year the operation into yes yi near the core operation. The sanko to excavators via get you 2 parts na near fix it near sign the aba. And one the same part na near the operation.
Nti Matthias and one na make no nti mo ba mo de na mo de ahye no mo san yi firi ho.
Exactly.
Said the be excavator no obi ntimi nsan betum firi ho nyesa.
That is it.
And na excavator na ye sa party mako bi di afifiri ho no bi ho a yetime nya bi di akohye to afiri hoko akoton.
Yeah.
Hey. Are we safe?
We are safe, Captain.
Nana, tell me. Then who say we are safe?
Captain, we are safe because it's here now, Minister. The reality of the ground, not in an ANC form. No, me did it safe. Me no kabum. And na Ghana for you now, or more a person your concert a day with a kabum or a bit to me. So I say, Captain, the INS say if we near cooperation, we are not near shots, then we'll go with camera. A person Ghana for you know, who the air coso. And to see a power side, not the camera see so. Na say why whoever and your site Ghana win na abi because now you who say yen kata ne masibi na now dan kokufa do me yen kata bibia so ye ma bibia mra han ma Ghana fo nyina hunu de ekoso and if you power site na wo ye de ya Ghana fo bi hu onye de ya Ghana fo bi hu yes some machines are Ghana fo bi hu and you know what that mean say Ghana fo through say even when you say men are may say people will start backing up and do the right thing.
Video been in Namabontain, me name se who washa minister was who video no. Say as a purported conversation between Ono and the Ekwewusi.
Pepa Chane.
Moka Honday.
Captain, but that video, no, Mashe, na minya kwenyane me boss any home komoyi, and you know, mean to me can't want them for now. But the meaning when they say, somewhere, this video no after bra ye che a call with call BNI. And or ye na dream so bet try to implicate the minister himself. And or fact could be so quiet start no. Na me gidi se me nya kwan minister etna se one-on-one na me di nkoma me hunu mu yi na che ne na mo akasa wo mo.
Entino ye che ne kwan na ono nso obobo an ho ato ho sa.
That is exactly what he did because ye che ne kwan after video we say no okoye ye no I learned say what they could call party office name panyifo bi ho just to bring the minister down. The minister may action because to me who dear ain't so for yesterday in the first place.
Me nim no kra was our video no more dear, but minister response and so positive to questions na obusano in the video.
Said the medical say me many ministers tena say was our video no enti no mesre captain me nene tena say me di nkomo ye was our video no ho a na ma tie for aso.
Okay, the kind na me da asibium say temade no koye ho adwuma some di na free tema ba ho
ano na ma me kokko san kwache no because ye court tema na eni ho
dabi oh nana manya sa excavators na ya pack system and wo coin na nsisi ho
na eni ho
oh nana asema na ka cheche tefuti you
oh captain said na say obi a ye dia asema ma bien na ya ye hwehwemu de say come into me sign konkwache no. But this arrest na me san kwache no na ye say ye ko fatema machines na na esti ho na ye call ya na eni ho no because earlier on na ya koye inventory twitwa pictures ni na of all the machines na esti ho and the Sunday ye kwa koye evacuation minister ja ye kwan say ye nko ye koye na machines ni ni ho
patrona na mienu pa bi na mutwitwa ho pictures anasa na ye dodo say
na ye 5
it excavators 5 for mo coin na ni ho
na 4 ni ho na ka ba na ni so na so no ma ye na scrap
woma and the scrap woma tutu ho part
o de ye hwe ye
ena na woma say 4 na aka na wa he
no na ma meche the friend say ya ni ye ne dia no ana ono so ka say ye ko wa wi mo na pe 5 ena ma ye positive ko ko chi ko wa wi say it means those machines.
Mama asem we nka ha enyi kwan say yete say wo yo medie ni bi ese say yetimi kwa akosi asem we ase na ye hu ba bi excavators ni na akwa kodi de otoye de okotonye de enye ne dia na ewo ne ho nipa ode ma no ba bi okofa no ene kwan ya fifiri ho ba ye nyina no nana bejiudi menim se de wote se me kakra e ban corruption a wonya de a utie bibia wo ho you want the truth I know you timisrew yede saa na ekosia abasobo bi ehia se yede ma wo no yede be ma why
Captain Medas na minister o hwe ni statement and as election or the petition or the police na say one limit to only the temade no nko a he say no ma yen kwan say excavators na a call mini apanyin ho no nyina na bia kodi nkrofo ho a enye omodea na kakra na eno nso no yaton afiri mu no yenhwehwe ni nyina mu na mesre ebra ye che no na manfo ahyase e de receipt ba ni edi kan nya bidada ansa na ye che unua journalist na no peace no manfo de bi ba say omo amani sika omo mamini apanyi sika for the machines no omo nsanka but omo hwe machines nso a omo hu ebe say staff woni nyina no so betimi aboa yen na omo de those receipts omo woni nyina be ba headquarters yetimi akole itini nyina na fe nyina yen kamum mene atiefo a etie na ebe hwehwe miminim wo machine wona abeboa mo hu se na wo machine na captain no kran so wo nso ne se yetiwe eba ye ho obi nya kwanya nso na obi twa chassis number arhosem pa no de akwa generate document e de abase ne dia And yes, you hear due diligence of all the documents that you bring. And so be on more star motive ne dia wonyai. Because so far is so much on Siadobema police for. Now Oma a yomo dia genuinely they should own up na omumrana for you unu yen kamumi and solve this problem.
Nanam Pacho no cosam ya menim we ya we segalam se ne bi da ekoso.
The Bacho say
We ya we segalam se bi da ekoso.
Oh yes, sir, Koso.
Mo ye ho den.
I don't know maybe can say yeah last meeting yeah no minister Ejichi mo say say no the young the hard way. And they said when we are going to the site we go with camera. Because Vanguard wa kumbi o maya there, Galamso wa be kumbi o maya there, but Lucas Steve said Ebinomu wo honoma omo nso no muwa ma omo adwuma no nkoso anu nti no ye ebeye ne se obi bia wo ye galam say see ama license captain even we go into the large scale because we call large scale for ni bia omo adwuma e kan pa omo kra say you say small scale miners na me pese me di binom din betutu bia for security reasons nti na ka mbugo bi din cho na ka wa usu tu anamo akohwe adwuma boni a large scale for any be ya and can rep.
You bedding come off air. What do you mammy? I saw I wouldn't me.
My name is but you know, we'll go to the extent of all the mining sector. And you will go with camera. The banner camera needs to so I gonna put in a share the whole year a year. Then I do a young soa. Not else say they may be due near the due. I gonna put who says I see this time brand new. Now penny young soa your outside your best friend. Now be friend me nana I say nana oh yeah na na the first gentleman at the sampa also na omwa ema na adwuma ne team poor person and enkoso. And that's what we want to do. From now onwards we are going with camera. Yeah pastor side ho now penny so na minister na na party penny una na ofra na we are for nyina hu say na wo de na the danko akufo His Excellency o twene be ke say with me no na botaye no
Pacho mo kona so your regional party chairman no mama yate or your MP a mo mayente or DC
ya and the camera corner ka your life na ya hunu say wo na afre ye o your party chairman o na afre ye say ho ya odia ho ya odia kana fo nyina hunu dia o ye ya ye be hu enyen so a ye be hu
Amena nana yababon ko bohre
Captain Medasi
Nana ya aboadu na ye leader ma say special monitoring evaluation and investigation of operations and operation Vanguard any galam stop say the odano no ye no ye adwuma obi na ye no na no ye next enu ya bande me say trick bia wo galam stop nim wo bia sika bia bedu ho bia be kan including journalists na mo ye galam say yay me say o man na yetibu no me ma hwe hu say Ghana no ye wadwen say obeka no kura wo mfa ho totroto enti me skin a dead goat say me skin ye dead odabo dead crocodile me da say ye dead crocodile skin enti me no nkame mfa mo I am focused that we will save this country. But there's going to be a time, about necessity. About necessity. But what about me? Quahomanoso. Namane, a jail piamensa. No excavator, or so. A jail piantum in Camache.
Yeah.
Now, Bibia Bocordia.
Adom, don't say.
Ah, body and Kakakra. Yes, and I'm hobby. Pacho, now excavator.
Look, excavator, me, no.
Na womu sizi ya na se wa na wuja adwuma no
na ma park
ena ye den
na I galam stop for na ba bush me kura na mo fie na mo be si excavator no amoba am student excavator na nsi fie si bush na mo de excavator na ko e kan the main colonel frame Emma Mokasa, Musa Majiba could be 500 million.
To Ghana
50,000
yeah me nyabotre aseme na akin
hello what me kan
me ton ka say o mo gi 500 million no no mo
agya gi ba ko 500 million before some the machine be ma me no mo gi 500 million ba ko
anti sa me to ase yie dia wo mo 500 million so mo ngi nkodi dia o meja wa excavator na ma o
mo de be ma me ba ko bia machine afidie ni emienu
to aso e
nti mienu no afidie no so me de ba foforo pa me kwato ya wandru 1 week po na mo ba o me fa afidie no nti me kwape bosia 1 billion Ghana 100,000 or 100 cedis 1 billion tete no first 1 billion no hello
me tio pa
ama me de buy amoji scanner no amo fa scanner sound excavator ne kwai me di akira mo de excavator ne kwa akra me ne me boss ba ko e di akire kwa akra kona bra sa ansan kan fidie na me hu ya sa fidie na be si kutukrom bisia kutukrom e kuro bi o fa ne ba bia ni nti e tresi afidie no mo de awura bush egusu hwehwe ya ede ni ekohu ya na mo hye na adeche ya na ekohu afidie no hello
pacho mi tio pa
ama me de adom for ba okra be cover am be twai ade kwa adom tv ni pa kro ode afidie de ba no me de ne ko police station ekohu ya me case no Pisia police station police for ne ko hwe no am frɛ ni pa afidie ne ko di no ode ba ho no ose kwa isi na de ma no ama case no takwa for AJ takwa police station AJ case no Dwaso Nsem ade kwa takwa ama mo frɛ kwa isi ma kwa isi bai oba twa ni statement na crime officer ne se enko ba frɛ wan frɛ bie ma up to now
so nyabotema memusa obe nsem pacho ma memusa onsem be yem mienu ana me nsa bi na ye nto aso why
yo
de edikan sa 1 billion no na wo mo gire se bribe na nka wo mo gi wi wo mo de machine ama
mo gi machine ama mo gi wi na mo fa machine ama me
okay why mo na wutu asa scan ma wo mo
o za mo population na mo do so na sa time no ni poda mo anu no e fa ne odasani ona no da mo anu ai sini de na ni hobby
okay enti sika no de show da sani ni nsem
oda sani me sika no yame na me de o na me de sika no ko bush na me de ma me kola enti me workers na de sika no ma soldier for no
enti soldier for no confirm so ma beji 1 billion
this operation no mobile ni po na da mo anu pa you know so fe no da sani idi ai me sai si de ni de be pie me ye ma si de be di o wa kra no se be di kutukuro mu no ni body machine ba no o ka se mesa isi na edema no
okay enti no o machine wo mo chi no wo hen
o mo she no kutukuro forest o de kwa she kutukuro forest na o mo kwa she no
me pa che se wo de na ansa na o mbe fa wo nwura mu ho no na wo de na esi nwura bem
me de no wo tumantu
wo de no wo tumantu
ko bi wa fa de tumantu jula
okay
Ena tumantu ho na mo be fa
okay na free tumantu bank
20th May 1 year aka kakra 20th ba na wa ya afi
okay ena free tumantu bank right
free tumantu bank am be hu se machine se de won kran
okay
me pa yi ba ko ya ba kra
ena
be hu sa excavator ni sisi sisi ho de be te ya de na mo an sa ka ba 6 months time no 7 months me te ya ni se machine na be si tumantu kutuku ai suite ai kurobi wa fane isuaye
enkran
you want to tracy ya kwa wusa machine she forest fu akwahye no
okay enkran hin na machine si na oba besra no no
aka kwa ai ayalefa
okay
ayalefa no hona na ba kusi
hello betin ne okay na ba kusi oyalefa na ba kusi si hin
hello
metie opa metonka
Mr. Ayalefa garden hona na ba kusi na de omo she no omo de ba no omo de so abi ko si kaso anti kaso na ko hu machine no foforo na omo she no omo mfa ma akra omo de ko kaso a omo de so abi ko kaso anti kaso na machine si a mo e di a kire san ka omo tore machine no
enti ni pa omo ton ma no ko hu no
The panel was hosted here, the case the the Abakra regional office 23rd December, the case the Accra regional quarters. So almost on my friend and tell me the parliament or one chili panel now, the body machine man, the panel that was here or them. What you try excavate, I don't know what excavate and almost share on what you try to scrubs. So who says excavate this you want to what you try to scrubs. Now, my friend, Mr. Baker, my casa, my black, my demon, see that you are damn second.
But what to excavate and about saying? So, what kind of war? What tobacco saying? The
tobacco 5 billion. The two account for Medica. This year, the members account 4 billion. I could be excavated about 5 billion. 330 cat. BL.
Hey!
330 cat. BL. 5 billion.
And I'm
500,000.
And you're not your cat.
They're doing 10 billion.
Nina yoka.
Nina, nobody can't have a country. I couldn't quite hear the room to a cacra on the fire. This year, I'm the camera, master on the two point trophy.
Opiamen Samedase.
Opiamen,
Miss Medase.
Yo, with the Moka be Mamma, my black. Yabuka be a Moka be Mamma, why?
Yate.
Yo, but that's it.
Now, what's your fear near Casa Galab say ninja? Now, would you at him? It's a machine free crying. Machine cratching and one utility. Opiamensa machine, ye can't say, as a copy room home dear Galam say, may ye bay, never 1 year. Your February, March, April, May, as in your feet. See a bank and a brrr, near Sada Koya, Mofanko Garam say. But, a Kwawusiba Kansem. What your first send down? And you're not a check and half near the mano. Now, Kwawusi, or back Kansem. A quo, a wusi, or back Kansabo. What ya, Messia Kwawusi, or back Kansem. Now I shall say a crack cansem. Na near more about Ragu Hono. About to sap in for fear. What don't say can ye, what pray ye, who so good swan ye. I say, ya, net tam ho. Now, dear tea. That, sir, video now I can't was him no. Would you tell you that womb?
But then we'll be an iPhone report about Ebeba. What's your MP? I was what Coca-Cola was saying. What's your parliament?
What do you mind?
Elvis Donko. So,
Elvis, one mind.
From America. AAK. MP. Oshia Wakazo, Prof, and can also be here machine back at the aquarium. Now, Oka said, a Quosian Pinime was an Aquosian Pinoa, a Quosue, a excavated baby Rebecca will see any. Excavated
No, but I don't even know this Elvis Donko. Who is he?
Elvis Donko, member of parliament for AAK.
I don't know him. Because I know him.
I said I'm allowed to cook or chamber.
And we think it's true. Please go away. And don't annoy me today. Please walk out.
Prof,
no, please. Don't see the way you are talking. I don't like it.
Prof, say anytime about
no, but see, if you come to accuse me, I don't like it. You go when I'm ready because I'm doing something for tomorrow.
Yo, Prof, I thought so be you. Maybe when many don't wait any bar with regards to Yengma and Physical Coma Party.
Yes.
Wo Prof. And our mommy authorization. Some informal team na message have no money say man.
Yes.
One Prof now san catch him say, "Yeah, team na message me fa gizo na fan come." Yes, sir.
But do you tell me why is that maybe?
Oh, Prof.
We talk about the framework part. You say party against and it's okay. Let's want to me now. You want to be concession. So want to be a concession. So you go there, inspect the place. Let's form a team. But you can't one can't just say, what we I'm not going for you, I don't know. We talk about the framework.
One can kasa kura na wusie mu a wokɔ takwa abro mbɛka sɛ area ho baabi gizo mu bɛ suggest sɛ area mu ho baabi ɛhɔ no yɛ me yɛnkɔ yɛ adwuma wan kasa kura na wusie mu ekyir mu a chance
no we are talking no John Bodo if and wait
ɛnyɛ mo na mo dis ka bra wi
why
sika no a shark de bra it is the same thing ɛyɛ hɔ a some machines 5 na me de ma shark no dis ka bra na ɛyɛ hɔ a na shark ɔsɔra no post me fie because me akasa me man 200,000 cedis ansa ye ko kenelo poko ye ko je sa boys no national security boys no ye de kan ye de ko ho no shark sika so de shemu ye 300 me so fa invoice no also na post me fie because edmo ye ni also de scan abro
sell on the bread
mini o de bread we say machine so ma akwaje on kwaje machine so ba ho say nkrofo kotutu Vanguard fo kotutu machine wo part wo pam no free as onko.
You see, the way he's talking, I don't want to, you know.
So, and says the music one can say, "Yen set up team, no, music and I call it, but me get the magic at the right time." Then say, "Shark so more ye also this kind of bread." Me time mo catch them say, "Shark be catch them so more ye mo money around." That time went to coin. Me catch them one train. I want baby a chicken na one else go say, "One train how bad?" Ne e about. And then me that hospital. Oba catch them say. One friend said, "On fa, si can't bring to the abroad." This was also fee. And then me, I said, "I'm cousin, and then I'm back." I was planning to come here Friday, but oh yeah, for you, I'm my back.
You see, we are here accusing me of things I haven't done. People speaking to people I don't know. National chairman, look, GM, the chairman. This. I think
what I'm saying because I found your reports in the a home body.
No, but don't say that because
because. Edwana made me found some papa, and I think I've always given you the respect. So let's say Bam say, hearsay. There's in the yes me way excavators I made a high wall, Sprinters Road, and so be me from by me from Ghana not to South and you be a second open any problem. But the Americans are some of these things on what here was a speculation, yeah, you're waiting a year, so that how many times I mean call radio soon. But yes, Professor from Pomwati A2 Galamseo and Nebadodo from Pomwati A Yabio. Say, I'm crying the Codebia, the corridors, and you're crying the crew. But I'm not critical. Don't know when you have me for you.
Why?
Don't know.
What
you?
Oh, catch your listen to me. Echo, please walk out. Get out.
Someone to be remember.
Out.
Jim FM. It's very simple. Makacho me say akwawusi obekansam. Ye, na me ni ho na mo record ye. Any hobby. Be an a doctored. Be an a nurse. Be an a physician. Be an a carpentered. I don't know. But when we see, or cancer. Where a yadisradia keke. Chama wun timidi bem. General Secretary of the NPP, Nidin Bem, AAK MP, Woodia Bem, say, young fan on Chino, Makacho, some sister Galamsi idea with me. Nanado, eh? One baba bets now when him now, baba can sama a crocro, my can some the dead young reality. No, who you know me from 2004. Nana, you know me from 2004. What time in 2001? Now who me that 2002 na me ba office. Tawana foreign affairs minister. No question say Nana your deputy. And you requested say sa kwa ne yemfa ne mbrem sa small boy ne yemfa ne mbrem na me hwe. Then I came to you. And in reality, from that time, You've known me. One principle, I'll tell you the truth. Nana Dodanko Akufo-Addo Ado Primai. Your people, one, they are misleading you every day. Obian Hobekasa no Kuriacho, me, I'll tell you. Some ministers didn't know much and we went there and everything's on point. They are misleading you, Kwagu. They are misleading you every day. Oh. Galamsey no mobile report say Galamsey is CZ Nyamina ye wadom. And the State of the Nation's address one can want some nana come and say from say bro. Papa no be catch us Galamsey report no hwede mienu no sa papa no hwede na dana se. Minim no. Wonim so say minim no. Hwede no na dana se. Sanka wo ka sa Galamsey report no ka won say from say bro. Can ayenim guase kase. Sa Operation Vanguard no nana. Starting from Blue Gate. Makanolo pokunsha senche nkrofo by now say ye che enye kwa wusinkwa o nana yi. Makanolo pokunsha se ese ba na ya cheche nkro Colonel ese wo start cheche nkrofo anadwi. Ame sa journalist in the ben kanasem. Contra Facebook or say be me corrupt say we to Galamsey. I am not corrupt. I will never be corrupt, and nothing under the sun can make me corrupt. I'm telling you. Me, obwa. Many da ho bruta. Our corruption, which we won't be as by. Mamia for any fa coalition kakrabini yanko. 0302216561 216562. Mabna or the home answer. What else? Some phone why? 0302216561 216562. But Maninka with me say Aquarusi or cancer. Hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Captain, Pacha, somehow okay, the eno crepa, me free to prime, the captain, so about no ma, arrow. You see, I am, say, who is no grandpa, and your corner. They say, I will go on, ye bray, you send any, when you're not saying, Captain, about no ma, a crude or a funny, I can't sing, could read soon, a pnamine, and up on it, Captain, almost saying, I'm singing now. First, now, yeah, my mom, they go to school, but there's someone says, I say, yeah, my mom, yes, camp when they say, yeah, cause I do. Captain, me can't am a raho. Oh, my Ghana, yeah, breast captain, Mumbai, when I can't sing, to my or smash it from my Kobrisu. Captain, what Kobrisu? School day, almost to dining in a school dana car, fits new fifi, a school for school. Captain, Sanka, wait to me, so I'm on back and sing Kobrisu. Na wa fa weni na fa be shade arewo the say yon kolase na ye bre empenifo mo say akọ ye twima no ye na e ba be bre daachi to go school cry is captain ijudi ye bibi bo ayen wan me da ase
men so me da ase topramai one there next week Monday mabam I will interview nananoma na wo hini bia wo betwa ntro Galamsey asem we bu no be bon sama ma me say hello.
Hello, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Yeah, where you obibini ba akwa maka wabri.
That's me here.
Ayenkwa onu mlemu. And na dia pure water no mo, Captain.
Say pure water kwa hwa munya bi nom. O de o.
Na no kwa wonim sa ba bia abeko bia ni nsuo na ba no no. Ma o yam yoya. Na Captain, sha. Ma mi misa. Ono umudu. Journalist na friend say onu so Galamsey ni bi no adan onu de umoni din
wo say adan ye mondi
aha
David say
ni nyina no omina omudi apie
David say
so ya mo pizza family de onu de umoni din
and adan papa na ye me ye an interview kan ebobo no went I say no wasuma yo de
oh boy won
koso
anyway Appointing say good.
I say appointing say good. What's the journalist in the Manua form? I don't know. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
I wish I'm meet you.
For excavator or see a good aviation. Here, excavator under crazy. Excavator good aviation under crazy before you. Another man down and a call for it dadano. And how do we know? No, any who is up and stop a transfer. No, I just had any. Another man in the cannon chop papa. Thank you.
Young far phone is here now. Young far phone is here. Yamaya Adoma Monday. Bakacho says, I galam stoppy. Minchaso. This month in Amaya galam say. One year next month, could I mess out to a galam say no so. Cause me fa kroba kumbia ne yakoho. Se akwatiam potem ho nyina de yetu galam say. Right time mebusa MP no ho ne say, wa hu say yetu galam say, wa bra president say onjai. Mebusa DC yo wa akwatiam ne potem say, wa hu say yetu galam say, wa bra president say onjai. Top man, ohina wo ho wa hu say yetu galam say, wa bra president say yenjai ana. Where your first crow for Monday? The free Monday ni yakwa Wednesday. Memo another crow. Sani pa boni samna ye wo krom hano. A true time I say ye jai. You can bribe every journalist, but not me. Many me production team. Kakrana ye do try and kabo so ye di asoye. Tigo di asono. Asan di asono. Fajwa di asono. Me di asome. You can't bribe me. Take it or leave it. Cause airtime. Nana, we will help you with this job and all others. Okay? Then Crofona who fear honor, Miss Woman that down. Yo, I'm fancy high. Fancy ya. Aha, Bibiba. And Hey. Press conference to be addressed by Mr. Kwewusi. When you bill? Okay. Speaks on the Galamse Brohaha. Topics are Kwewusi so bekasa hone say, where are the machines? And here number 1. Obetre. Who authorized their release? Say Obetre. Who are the big men behind Galamsey? Ekosi Obetre. And who has the machines? Machines and Ekosi Obetre. To boy. And afei confiscated gold no. Eno na me de be wie match. Gold na ye sizi ye no. Gold na national security ni bi ye na eko sizi ye no. Gold no ewa hin. Ekosi Obeka ho asem. Ene ye china on the 6th. Also be a press conference. Makacho say call Obeka Nsem. Call. Echo Obeka Nsem. Wala wanyime call. Echo Obeka so. So boko wa oni nkoti wo hu. Franco Trading Enterprise and the DBS roofing sheet. And the so as the fabɛwɔso bro quickly mamenda na me home run.